everyone, welcome back to my channel. Oh boy, I feel like it's been so long since I said that. I know I've been absconding for a while. So where the heck have I been? In short, creating my brand and my company. I can't believe I'm saying that. I'm finally launching Ayéura. Many of you have seen me tease the Kaya face mask for a while. It's been 7 to 8 months now. And you remember how I looked a year ago. This is me. And this is me now. So how did I get from that to this? By using the Kaya face mask consistently for the past 7 months. I'm going to tell you everything about it. And by the time this video goes live, which is going to be Wednesday, May 20th, I will be launching the face mask, so you will have access to it as well. In short, the Kaya face mask is a superfood face mask. Basically, just like you feed yourself healthy stuff, you're going to feed your skin also healthy stuff for it to look healthy. So it's made with 11 skin superfoods, which are natural and Ayurvedic. If you're the OGs and you're with me from the get-go, you know that I started this channel with an intention of teaching you how to make different Ayurvedic skincare packs here on YouTube before I started my makeup channel. That has been my first love for such a long time. I've always found it fascinating how natural products can heal you so much, externally as well as internally. Just like they say, you can take medication to heal something or eat healthy to heal something. That's exactly how it is with skincare as well. And I want to get to a point in 6 months down the line where I feel comfortable just wearing no makeup. I think I do that more often these days, where I just apply sunscreen and step out. I barely ever use makeup on my face and I feel pretty confident. Don't get me wrong, I still love makeup. I am an artist by heart and I love makeup, and I'm never going to stop teaching you how to do makeup or doing makeup on my clients, but I don't want that to consume me, and I don't want to feel like every time I step out I have to have makeup on my face. I want to feel confident without any. And I can assure you I'm getting to that point. And I want each and every one of you to feel the same way. So let's jump into the Kaya Superfood Face Mask. What is it and what are the ingredients and how does it perform? And what does Kaya mean? Let's start with that. Kaya, if you didn't know, in Sanskrit means body or the physical form. Basically, this mask can be used all over your body. Let's keep it at that. In ancient times, if you didn't know, princesses used to do mud bath. So think of it in that angle. Now, what are the 11 superfoods? Let's start with the first ingredient, haritaki. It is one of the key ingredients in Ayurveda that helps with anti-aging. It gives your skin a beautiful glow. If you have acne-prone skin, it's going to help you with that as well. It sucks up all the oils and clogged debris and gives you that smooth texture. It's going to even out all the bumpiness on your skin and overall gives you a beautiful, healthy glow. Then we have manjishta. It's going to brighten your skin. It's going to fade your dark spots and even out your skin tone. It brightens your skin. It calms the redness, especially from acne, and overall gives you that beautiful glow to your skin. We also have mint. In short, it makes your skin look fresh and awake because it opens up all your clogged pores, it cools off your skin, and that helps with depuffing your skin. So when you wake up, if you feel like your face is all swollen, they ask you to use mint because it has that cooling factor. It also helps to control oils in your skin. With that, we have punarnava. What it is basically an anti-inflammatory. So it's going to depuff your face and your skin, and it's going to make your skin look much firmer. It's going to calm again all the redness that you have on your skin and even everything out to make your skin look more healthier. We also have rose petals in this face pack. If you didn't know, rose petals are an excellent toner. It's a natural toner to your skin. It helps to reduce the irritation on your skin. It helps to calm everything down, give a more even, healthier look. It supports the production of collagen, so it's like a catalyst. It helps to brighten dull skin. As I said, it's a natural toner, and also helps to promote the natural glow to your skin. And this next ingredient, all in all, is like your natural retinol. It's saffron. The things that it can do to your skin is nothing short of miracle. It helps with anti-aging. It reduces the appearance of dark spots and dark circles. It evens out your skin tone. It promotes a healthier glow again, and overall brightens up your skin. So it is very much used as an anti-aging ingredient in many of the Ayurvedic creams and face packs. Then we have sandalwood. Just like mint, it helps to cool your skin, depuff your face. At the same time, it'll help to smooth out those wrinkles and fine lines on your skin. So it's an amazing anti-aging skincare ingredient. Again, every time I say something like that, there'll be somebody saying, what is wrong with aging? There's absolutely nothing wrong with aging. I've proudly said that I'm almost 50. That's right, with not a single syringe of Botox or filler in my face. And I swear by that. So there's absolutely nothing wrong with aging, but if we can keep our skin looking healthy, why not? All in all of us want to look good, whether we are 20 or 100. Coming back to sandalwood, it makes an amazing pre-makeup pack because we want our skin to look soft and smooth before that makeup goes on. That way it doesn't look cakey. So I actually love to apply this face pack before I apply my makeup, and I use it about thrice a week. And then we have Shatavari. It helps to soften your skin and promote smooth skin as well as elasticity in your skin. Again, a fantastic anti-aging ingredient. Then we have Tulsi. Whether you have teen or adult acne, this is going to help fight that. It's going to calm the redness, it's going to smooth out your skin, control excess oils in your skin, and promotes a healthy skin barrier. Next, we have turmeric. Turmeric, if you didn't know, is a natural medicinal root. It's a natural antibiotic. It helps to calm the redness on your skin. It helps to even out your skin, gives your skin that beautiful golden glow. It smooths out your skin, again, helps with anti-aging, and it helps to fade all those dark spots and scars. In fact, when I was younger in India, if I was hurt, I had a wound, instead of applying a medicinal cream, my grandma would apply turmeric as a natural antibiotic. And trust me, within a couple of days, that wound, where was it even? And that's exactly what it's going to bring to your face as well. If you have acne or any kind of skin irritation, it's going to calm everything while fading your dark spots. And finally, we have vetiver. The main property of vetiver is to tighten those pores and give your skin a smooth appearance. It also helps to hydrate your skin and give that beautiful glow. And if you didn't know, vetiver is also used as a natural perfume. Just so you know, there's absolutely no synthetic perfumes added to this face pack. Everything is natural. The beautiful, natural, subtle smell is from the 11 amazing superfoods that I just mentioned. And when each of these ingredients are mixed together properly, what you get is a face superfood. My idea with creating this product is I wanted it to be a household name. I wanted everybody to use that one face pack every single day for maintenance that'll keep the skin looking youthful rather than using 10 different face packs. It's confusing, and this problem originated because I myself was confused which pack to use every single day. Should I use something that brightens my skin? Should I use something that controls my irritation and acne? Should I use something that hydrates my skin? With this, you can do everything together. And I can assure you, once you try it, you will come back to me again and again. So this is going to be, I have a feeling, our signature product. And the number of times I had to go back and forth to create this product, it literally took me 2.5 years to create this one product. I am a pain in the to work with because I just want things to be perfect. I want to be the guinea pig. I want to try it. And I tried it for about a year now before I'm even showcasing it to you guys. And over the past few months, many of you have been asking me what I've been doing with my skin. Something looks different. And of course, it's the Kaya face mask. And this is what it is. I've just been using the Kaya face mask on myself to make sure I can actually see a difference before I put it out to the world. Now let's look at the product itself, and I want to show you how to use it. The Kaya face mask itself comes in a pouch, pretty simple, with a window in front, and all the ingredients are listed in the back along with how to use. All you have to do is remove the seal on top. And for your convenience, this has a Ziploc, so you don't need to transfer this powder into any other container. You can just keep it in this and lock it. Just be careful not to spill some of the powder while opening the Ziploc, because the powder is filled to the brim. And you just need a teaspoon of Kaya face mask every time you use it. I just like to use this spatula as a measure that's exactly 1 teaspoon. Make sure you start with a clean face to make sure you've cleansed it. All you have to do is mix it with a little bit of water so you get a paste, almost like a toothpaste-like consistency, and apply it on your skin. As soon as you apply it, you feel that instant cooling effect. You also feel a little bit of tingling to your skin because the ingredients are working on your skin. Just so you know, this can be used on any skin type, including sensitive skin. And anybody over the age of 15 can use it. There are absolutely no side effects to this face mask. So you're going to apply it all over your face. You can also apply it on your neck, especially if you have neck lines or neck acne, or you just want to firm up your neck, and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can continue to do your work. You can walk around. I like to apply it and just sit and relax and do nothing because it is my relaxing time. But if you prefer, you can also continue to do your work while you have the face mask on you. The face mask not only works when it's moist and wet, it also works when it starts to dry. That's when you feel your skin pulling and tightening. A lot of you might want to just rinse off the mask, even before it starts to dry up and tighten your skin. But I would say to get that full benefit, wait till it completely dries and starts to pull your skin and tighten it. And over time, if you're consistent with this face mask, you will see that your skin has actually tightened up. Once it's dry, you will see that it'll start to flake off. This is when you rinse your face just with water. Now, you might see a couple breakouts either on second or third day during the first week. It's the mask removing all the toxins from your skin, so you don't need to freak out. Eventually, it's going to calm down. I do this part of my morning routine because I'm an early riser. It's 5 a.m. now and I'm almost done with my recording. But if you're not into morning routines, you can also do it as part of your nighttime routines. Again, anybody over the age of 15 can use this, and I prefer to use it thrice a week. It's fine even if you want to use it every single day. Again, there's no side effects to it, but thrice a week should do it. This retails for $16.99 compared to most of the Ayurvedic face packs out there, which cost you from $32 to $40 per face pack. And we are launching this only in the US for now, and we are providing free shipping on all orders, whether you buy one face pack or 100 face packs or 1,000 face packs. It's going to be free shipping. And the reason for that is I hate shipping fees, whether it's $1 or $5. I don't like to pay shipping. And I wanted to make it as easy as possible on all of you. And I'm so passionate about this because I know you will come back for more. This face pack is that good. I want it to be a household name. So free shipping on each and every order. So you can now go to ayéura.com, which is AYEURA.com, and purchase this face pack. You will also find this beautiful bamboo bowl and spatula for your face pack. And this retails for $14.99. It's a generous size bowl, so you can use it not just for Kaya, but all your face packs. If you didn't know, you should avoid mixing face packs, especially in metal containers. Ideally, you want to mix it in a ceramic or a bamboo bowl or anything wood, so the powder doesn't react with the metal. I hope that was useful. I know many of you have been waiting forever. It's me. I'm the problem. I was just not happy with the final outcome, so we went through so many iterations until it was perfected. And here we are now. I hope the information that I provided was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below, and happy shopping. All the links are included in the description box below. I've also linked my shop below, and in the comment section, it's pinned right on top. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.